Upgrade TP-Link router firmware to improve security and performance. Step 1. Check model, current version of your Wi-Fi router. Model and version of your Wi-Fi. Step 2. Download the newest firmware file from your Wi-Fi homepage. View in description. Connect to your Wi-Fi download homepage. Enter your Wi-Fi model to search. Step 3. Check default IP address of your Wi-Fi. From Start, click Run, type CMD, then type IP protocol configuration, then enter. Hold and press to Wi-Fi icon on your mobile. Click to Settings icon. Use this IP address to connect. Step 4. Upgrade your Wi-Fi firmware. Visit 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net. User, admin, pass, admin. Upgrade.